that I was just like, I got 4 days for 7 dragons. Girl, at this rate, I'm gonna need a ram in them, but if you just got in your bag, girl, when I tell you I'm going to knock out, thank you, Nippy. Can I trade? Girl, I don't got nothing to trade. I could trade next month. I can do that. Yeah, I can't trade nothing this month. I just cashed out. And the only reason why I cashed out was because nobody wanted to trade with me. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to cash out. And it was for like other reasons. But I took off all my money. I really didn't think I was going to stay on Bigo. No shade. So, yeah. So yeah, that was the You know what I'm saying? But where my cousins stay, these fucking places are absolutely stunning. For a 1-bedroom, I would definitely stay here. All I need is 1 bedroom. It's just me. But